Hello students, welcome to the online class. We are doing exercise number 14.2. In exercise 14.2 we are doing some questions like frequency distribution table and group frequency distribution table. And today we have to do question number 7 of that exercise. Okay. Value of pi is given here up to 50 decimal places. No? Up to 50 decimal places here given. So pi equal to 3, 1, 4, 1 and so on. So these are given thing I am going to write. Someone please help me. Anyone who will you stand up and say what is the values are given here. So after 3.141 5 9 2 6 5 3 5 8 9 7 9 3 2 3 2 after 3 2 there is 3 8 no 3 8 4 6 2 6 4 3 3 8 3 2 7 9 5 2 5 0 is there. Okay, 5 0 2 8 8 4 1 9 7 after 197 there is 169 no 169 3 9 9 3 7 5 1 0. So how many digits are there after decimal? 15. So count it first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 and last 50. So we have written 50 digits after decimal here. So this is the value of pi. This is the value of pi. Pi equal to 22 upon 7, and if you divide 22 by 7 then you will get this, no? Because it is non-terminating decimal, no? Non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay. So we have to make a frequency distribution table according to the question. See here. Here is the question. Make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. So after the decimal point 0 to 9 we have to check how many times 0 will come, how many times 1 is came, how many times 2 is came and so on. So question number first part of that solution, first one is what we have to make in question number first, frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9. Frequency distribution of digits from 0 to 9. Okay, so what we have to write here? Digits. Okay, then frequency. Very good. And after that, tally marks. Tally marks. Okay, so first I am making a table of it for it. Okay, so first thing here is digit is 0, then 1. So 1 0 1, then thereafter 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and last 9. Okay, and in last line we have to make it total. Okay, so I am writing here total. Okay, so count how many times 0 where came.
2.
How many times? 2. First one is here and second one is here. So frequency of 0 is 2. So make penny mark of it. So 2 lines. Okay, 2 bars. Now 1. How many times 1 is came? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is 1 is 5 times came, na? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth line we have to take, na? Fifth line we have to take or we have to write like that? We have to write like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 2. How many times 2 came? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 is coming 5 times. No? So in front of 2 I am just writing in the front of 2 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is it clear? Now here is 3. So how many times 3 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many times 3 is coming? 8. So I am writing here 8. And count here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear to all?
Yes.
Is it clear to all now?
Yes.
Now which digit is here? Okay. Till 3 we have done. Now 4. So 4. How many times 4 is came? 1, 2, 3 and last 4. No 4 in second line, na? So 4 times is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again for 5. How many times 5 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and in last line 1, 5. That means total 5. So I am writing 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it clear to all?
Yes.
Now 6. How many times 6 is came? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times 6 is there? 4. So I am writing here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear to all?
Yes.
Now which number we have to take? 7. So how many times 7 is came? 1, 2, 3 and at last 4. So I am writing here 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for 8, how many times 8 is came? 5 times. We have 1, 2, 3. Sorry, we have to check 8 now. So 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And no 8 is in second line, so only 5 times 8 is there. So I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is it clear to all?
Yes.
And 9 is here.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 9 is coming 8 times. So mark 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count out the frequencies. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 29 plus 3, 33. 33 plus 4, 37. 37 plus 5, 42. And 42 plus 8, 50. So all 50 frequencies are mentioned here. So if total is 50, then our frequency distribution table is correct. Is it clear to all?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the first part of the question. Now second part of the question is, what are the most and the least frequency occurring digits? So most frequency occurring and least frequency occurring digit we have to find. So see here carefully. which digit's frequency is the greater? 3 and 9, because frequency of 3 is 8 and frequency of 9 is also 8. So both are greatest, no? Both are greatest. And frequency of whose frequency is least? 0. 0 came only 2 times. Okay. So in question number second we have to write what we have to write here in question number. So in second part of the questions we have to find most frequency occurring digit and least frequency occurring digit. So in frequency distribution table you already checked that 3 and 9 is coming 8 times, which is the greatest. So most frequency occurring digit is 3 and 9. How many times? 8 times. Both are coming 8 times. And least frequency occurring digit is 0. How many times? 2 times only. Okay. So these is your answer. So question number 7 is completed. Question number 8, 9 is similar to question number 8. Do it by your own. From tomorrow we will start graphical representation of data. Okay, thank you.